Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be giving you an update concerning the caps or airdrop. This cap airdrop is started in 7 days ago, maybe 9 days. So but I'm just joining today. That is 3 days left. Okay, so I think the criteria of this airdrop is by inviting friends. uh, Inviting friends. Look at boost your tickets, invite friends and complete tasks to earn more tickets. Okay, it says listed quests here. Invite 3 friends and earn 50 tickets. Invite 5 friends and earn 100 tickets. Invite 10 friends and earn 150 tickets. Then the next task here is subscribe to their channel and you earn 100 tickets. Share story on your telegram, you get 50 tickets. Okay, this airdrop is quick one, is a very quick one, and for you to get started, click on the link in my comment section and get started. Okay, it's a very just remaining 3 days to go. Okay, the this is how it works. Okay, so as you can see, I've not earned much, but I think this airdrop is going to be a good one. It's going to be rewarding, very good. Okay, so this is all I have for you in this airdrop. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends and family. Okay, thank you.